हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम सुमित कुमार है और मैं आईआईटी गुवाहाटी में पढ़ता हूँ। आज हम लोग देखेंगे चैप्टर सॉइल। इन दिस चैप्टर फर्स्ट वी विल गो विद द डेफिनेशन, देन द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ सॉइल, देन द डिग्रेडेशन, इरोजन एंड फाइनली वी विल एंड दिस चैप्टर विद द कंजर्वेशन ऑफ सॉइल। सो मूविंग टू द चैप्टर, let's start with the definition. The definition of soil. So it's basically nothing but the upper layer of earth in which plant grows. So the definition is very in simple terms कि जो अर्थ है उसकी अपर लेयर जहाँ पर हम लोग रहते हैं, where the plant grows. It's a very definition, it is in very simple terms. It is comprised of basically microorganisms, fine mineral particles, water and air. So it is basically soil is consist of these microorganisms are basically, and the degraded plant are basically the humus. So humus will be the better word to use. So soil is consist of basically humus, fine mineral particles, water and air. So basically जो सॉइल है, अगर हम लोग किसी जगह पर एक गड्ढा करके देखें, so we will basically find three layers. It consists of basically three layers and these layers are called horizons. So these horizons are divided into three parts. The horizon 1A, horizon B and horizon C. So in these horizons, what are these actually? Let's read about these horizons one by one. So I will rub this one also. So जो horizon A है, this is basically the topmost zone of soil. It basically consists the mineral particles and provides shelter for microorganisms. In this horizon A, it has the humus also. So these mineral particles, shelters and the microorganisms, these are all incorporated in this, and the air, water and humus, these are all exist in this layer. The horizon A. जो horizon B है, this is basically transition between origin A and origin C. So it has basically mixture of both material from origin A and origin C. So it has the rocks, mixed rocks with humus and organic material. What about the origin C? So origin C में basically it is composed of loose parent particles. While the formation of soil, the origin C, it is the first stage of soil formation. So during the soil formation, first origin C was formed. So other than all these three origins, if we go underneath to these three, so we will find rocks basically. So these rocks are also called parent rocks or bedrocks. So when we move down to the earth, these are the varieties or layers we found in that. So this soil plays very much important role in our life. It is used for the cultivation, for the growth of trees, and in these lands, so the importance of soil. In that one, it provides shelter, to microorganisms, provides support to the plants, and nutrition too. Nutrition to the plant. So during the initial time, this soil was basically divided into two parts. One is Urvara and second is Usar. So all those soils which were fertile, they came under Urvara, and all those soils which were unfertile, they came under Usar. So in the beginning of the time, we have very easy classification of this soil. So basically fertile soil was used for the cultivation, for variety of crops, and in this soil they were unuseful and they were simply used for the living purpose. So we had the population greater into the urbar places, so means soils Urvara soils, where these soil were found, there we had the large population compared to the Usar. So this is one classification during the earlier period, and now later on the classification became much complex. So based on the texture, color, moisture, this class became much complex. So based on the texture, it was divided into sandy, clay, loamy, and silty. Similarly, based on the color, red, yellow, and black. Nowadays, the main important classification of soil is based on the texture, location. So now on the basis of texture, location, and compositions, this soil is basically divided into 8 parts. So the most important classification is this one. Now we will read about the various soils which have been divided under this category. So we have the soils like alluvial soil, black soil, red and yellow, इसके अलावा एरिड सॉइल, लैटराइट सॉइल, we have petty soil. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we have 2 more classification, that is forest soil, and it one is saline soil. So we will read about these soils one by one. So let's have a common introduction of these soils once, then we will move to these soils in details. So let me write these soils here. So alluvial soil, black soil, red and yellow soil, arid soil, laterite soil, petty soil, forest soil, and the last one is saline soil. So let's see these soils. So here these soils are basically found in the map. सो अगर हम पहले बात करें फॉरेस्ट सॉइल की, सो फॉरेस्ट सॉइल बेसिकली इट इज फाउंड इन द माउंटेनियन रीजन, so the part this one, let's shade it like this. In these regions basically the forest soils are found. The main important part is this Himalayan region, so it is the forest soil region. Second one is, let's move to alluvial soil, or else what we can first draw the map and divide it, then we will see clearly to this. So this part basically it comes under black soil. So and some part here, and here also some part, this comes under black soil. So let's mark it, let's color it. This area comes under black soil, and if we see about here some part, here some part in the Odisha zone, in Tamil Nadu, in Maharashtra and Karnataka, some part of Kerala, and some part in this region. So in this region basically the laterite soil are found. So all these dark black places which I have marked, in this one laterite soil is found, and this region basically comes under arid soil. So arid soil comes under this region. So let's cross it like this. And the remaining region here moving like this, some just part above from the and the eastern part. So this all region, let's draw the horizontal lines in this. In this all region we have the red and yellow soil, red and yellow soil. And so now the remaining part with point dot dot dot, in this all region comes alluvial soil. Alluvial soil covers most part of the India. So this dotted part with the black, sorry. So this dotted black part is comes under alluvial soil. So now we will see about these soils in details one by one. So first we will move to the alluvial soil. Cut.